Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about 5 minus 4x to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u du. First derivative of number 5, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared dx. Because we just have only 3x squared, but we don't have negative number 4, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 4. So this one we have negative u over 2. So about the square root, we change by u. 3x squared dx, we change by negative u over 2 du. So u divided by u, we have number 1. The integration of du, we have u. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have negative number 8. First derivative of number 1, that is about the constant, so you got about number 0 in here. Because we just have only x minus 4, but this one is about 2x minus 8, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. x minus 4 dx, we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.